Good afternoon, everyone. This is Zoya from Goenkan Prime TV, and I am here for English news bulletins. Let's start with the international news. People expressed happiness over the agreement reached between Israel and Hamas on ceasefire in Gaza and release of hostages. After the agreement, crowds were seen on the streets of Tel Aviv, Israel. People paid tribute to the dead by lighting candles and singing songs. People said that there will be a lot of relief after the agreement. During this, people played drums and also raised slogans while holding the banners of the hostages. Now people are waiting for the releasing of hostages. US President Joe Biden, in his last speech, said the administration has succeeded in reaching an agreement on ceasefire and hostage agreement after 8 months of continuous negotiations. Biden also looked emotional while referring his 4-year tenure during his farewell speech. Now, some national news. Today is the 51st day of the farmer leader Jagjit Singh Dhaliwal hunger strike. From today, 111 farmers have sat on hunger strike in his spot at Khanori border. Due to this, a tense situation prevails at Khanori border. A heavy police force have been deployed on the spot by Haryana police. Farmers are fasting near the border. Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan was attacked with knife on late night of Wednesday. After this, he was admitted to Lilavati Hospital in Mumbai. His condition is said to be out of danger. Police said that incident took place at the actor's house in Bandra at midnight. After receiving information about the incident, Bandra police reached the spot and started investigation. From Sports World. In the third ODI match being played against Ireland in Rajkot, India scored 435 runs for the loss of 5 wickets in 50 overs, which is the highest total in the format. Earlier, the team had scored 370 runs for the loss of 5 wickets in the second ODI against Ireland, which was the highest total. But in the very next match, the team has surpassed this record. Now some local happenings. The new recruitment of bus conductors in Sirsa Depot of Roadways has been a relief. The Sirsa Depot was facing a shortage of bus conductors for a long time. Now, 71 conductors have been sent to this depot under Haryana Kaushal Rozgar Nigam. Out of these, 60 conductors have contributed. This has fulfilled the shortage of conductors in the depot. Let's know our weather report. The weather in Sirsa today is mostly cloudy with a maximum temperature of 14 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature of 6 degrees Celsius. Some Goenkan news. After winter vacation, GD Goenka Public School Sirsa reopened with enthusiasm. Students began the day with the Divine Morning Assembly, invoking blessings for the year ahead. Filled with positivity and determination, they set their goals to make 2025 a year of success, growth, and new opportunities. That's all from my side. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.